So, you sure want to do the selecting? Yes! This will change every voice. Right, Kirby?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn on systems. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. It's done. Oh my god! This can't be happening!
Hey guys, what are you working on?
Sonic, look.
What the? Why is
Lightning
like
is now an egg now. Okay. This is a misunderstanding.
It is very weird. Very weird.
So, it will take like a few months. I think it will take like 1 day until he gonna get out the eggs and could be completely new.
No, I hatch chow eggs all the time. It could be
No,
it could be
no, stop it, no. You're killing them. You're killing them. You're gonna make scrambled eggs? He's not speaking. I told you he's not gonna speak.
What? Don't worry, buddy. Don't worry, buddy.
Stop acting like Sonic Adventure 2, Sonic.
Don't worry, buddy.
Stop it.
Fine.
Wait, let's just wait until... I want to go get a popsicle.
Lightning!
Sup.
Sup.
So you're Sonic. I remember everybody.
Yeah.
Looks like I have a new voice now. Cool.
You sound more like teenage. You got like puberty active.
I don't know, but is this my eggshell?
Yep, I cracked it with my bare hands.
Why?
It's what I do with chow eggs. So I did the same thing to you. So I didn't want it to wait 24 hours to do that.
So let's think. Since you're gonna have a new video. Stop it.
What?
Okay, so what I'm gonna do with my new body?
I don't know.
Maybe if I don't know. Maybe.
Hey, I'm gonna go do some D-boxing. Do you wanna come?
Does that mean you mean the tournament?
No, it's gonna be a rapping contest.
No, the tournament.
Yeah, a rapping tournament.
No, I want a battle tournament.
Why?
The last time, like last week on Saturday,
What?
I go to the tournament. So, you should...
Nope, I'm gonna go. See ya.
Here we go again. Here. Sonic, stop it.
Okay.
Okay. So, it's ready. Oh, hi, Kirby.
Boyo.
Okay.
Boyo.
You can go.
Boyo.
You can go.
Boyo.
I think I'll sleep until today's Friday, right? I think it is.
Boyo.
Oh, it's Friday?
Boyo.
Okay. Bye, Kirby. Thanks for the message. Bye.
Boyo.
So, it is time to sleep.
Boost streak. Speed's back. Ooh. Cheddar. Mickey. Cheddar. Mickey. I'll take both.
Let's get...
I'll probably get something for lightning later.
If I'm waiting for Sonic, Then what should I do it? Or do? Yeah, do. Okay. What should I do? I don't know. I don't know. But I will find something. Let's do this. Is that a board game over there? That wasn't a board game. Maybe I should meet a new friend. Maybe I've I don't know. Maybe no. Maybe no. It's not happening. Ooh, maybe I should call my friend Vector. Yeah, he should probably answer. Where's my phone? Is that a big phone? This could work. Hello? Yeah, Victor, do you hear me? Yeah. Oh. Do you want to play something? Maybe. I don't know. Oh, okay, maybe you should come by later. Bye. I'm gonna wait. Yeah! Yay! So, I'm just gonna wait until the doorbell. Oh boy, I think my friends are here. Come on, guys.
Hey,
Come on, guys, come in. See anything different about me, guys?
you're very small.
Yeah, because I did an experiment on me. Wait, name call my butler. Butler!
What's
You see anything different about me?
Yeah, you're still taller than me.
But I speak different, right?
Yeah.
Have you met my friend Vector?
Hi. Glad to meet you, sir. Glad to meet you too.
Okay, Vector, that'll be all. Have a nice day. You have a day off.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Bye, Butler.
Bye, sir.
Do you like my butler, people?
Yeah, but there's something weird about him.
He grows mustache.
Yeah, but he has a tail.
Because I hired him in a monster cave. So,
Okay.
that'll be it for today. Bye, guys.
Bye.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.